Hello, my name is Lace Abel-Bey. I'd like to invite you to attend the second installation of the NAPO-Fordham University Research Session, which is scheduled from 5 to 6 p.m. on Friday, April 27th at the NAPO 2018 retreat at the Q Center in St. Charles. As the session facilitator, I will be joined by some of the marketing intelligence research students from Fordham University who have worked arduously to study and provide clarity on the value of organizing and productivity services to clients in the business sector. Through survey development, deployment, analysis, and assistance from many NAPO-affiliated professionals, these students have built an understanding of how business clients place tangible and intangible value, such as time, money, and energy saved in the workplace, from working with professional organizers. Additionally, we will uncover what value these clients perceive are related to the amount of money invested versus what they receive as a return on investment. I am very much excited to announce that we will be joined via Skype by Professor Luke Kaczerski, Director of Research at the Center of Positive Marketing and Assistant Professor of Marketing at Fordham University, so he can give us the validation to these results. We will be describing the study, reveal the top 3 key findings from the survey results, and we will beg a question of how these insights are unique and illustrated to help assist you in your ventures with business clients by breaking out into small groups for a talk and share at the end of the session. If you are interested in finding out what the business client feels certain are the driving factors of perceivable value the organizer has brought upon them, just go ahead and join us for the intuitive session. We'll see you in Chicago.